So I had to grab a mop head and I literally locked myself out of the car. And yeah, my bag is right there. So I'm trying to break into my own vehicle. I should have brought the forks because the tweezers are not working. Oh, wait. No, they're not working. Oh, I got it. That was fast. Yay. I just broke into my damn truck. Yeah. My fucking keys. Are literally right here. I was like, I hope this shit works. I was like, okay. It worked in under a fucking minute. Oh. Okay, so yeah, this is the other phone. I left my phone. Okay, so I wasn't able to call. I wasn't able to do nothing because my shit was all in the car. Okay. I saw it when I did it because as soon as I closed the damn doors, I was like, now why the fuck am I so, like, I saw myself locking myself out the car. I'm like, I'm not going to do that. Like, what the fuck? And then as soon as I fucking closed the fucking doors, I'm like, no, I fucking didn't. No, I fucking didn't. Yeah, I fucking did. And I was like, So I went in there and I walked around and I got, I was like, I can't call nobody because my phone and shit is inside the goddamn car. I was like, this is some shit. My phone. Like, this is the phone with no service. This is the glitchy phone. So I'm just like, what you gonna do, Tina? Oh, yeah, you're gonna break into your fucking car, aren't you? Yeah. So I just wanted the cashier. I'm like, yeah, like, I literally locked myself out of my car as soon as I closed the door and I realized it, right? So, yeah, just in case, if you have any customers that come in here talking about there's some chick that's breaking into their car, yeah, that's me. Have a good day. And I'm going to start recording on this one. Turn off.